All right, let's talk about the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly full-frame DSLRs Canon has ever made. If you're looking to step into full-frame photography without breaking the bank, this camera is still a seriously solid option. You get a 26.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers beautiful colors, great dynamic range, and that classic Canon look. The low light performance is strong, the skin tones look amazing, and the files are super easy to edit. One of the biggest perks is the fully articulating touchscreen, something you didn't get on older full-frame DSLRs. It makes vlogging, selfies, and video shooting way easier. And speaking of video, yes, it shoots 1080p with dual pixel AF, which means smooth, accurate, reliable focusing for creators. The 45-point all-cross type autofocus system is sharp for photos, and the camera feels great in the hand, solid, comfortable, and perfect for long shoots. Battery life is excellent, and the built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth make it a solid travel camera too. So who is this for? Beginners moving to full-frame, portrait shooters, travel photographers, vloggers on a budget, and anyone coming from a Rebel or 80D who wants a full-frame upgrade. Why buy it? Because it's affordable, reliable, easy to use, and produces beautiful full-frame images without the high price tag of modern mirrorless cameras. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.